Hi there, my name is Morgan Gunther and I'm a naturalist with the East Bay Regional Park District. The East Bay Regional Park District is on the ancestral homelands of the Delta Yokut, Bay Miwok, and Chochenyo Ohlone people who have been stewarding and taking care of these lands for thousands of years and continue to call this place home today. The East Bay Regional Park District has 73 different parks, and all of them are available for you to visit and explore. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about the Nature Adventure Pack that you have and the different tools inside to help you explore the East Bay Regional Park District. So this is what your knapsack should look like. So we're going to go ahead and explore and find out what's inside. So let's see what we've got. Inside of your Nature Adventure Pack or knapsack, you will find guides to the East Bay Regional Park District trails and the 73 different parks. So you can use these guides to decide where you'd like to explore. There are different trails and different ideas. Now, while you're out on the trail, you might encounter things that you want to learn a little bit more about. We have got the Nature of the San Francisco Bay Area guide that has different plants, animals, birds, all sorts of different things that you could commonly find around this area. And it's laminated, so if you get caught in the rain, it'll be totally fine. Now, while you're out on the trail, you also might want some ideas of different things that you can do while you're out there. This is clipped onto your backpack. They're called nature circles, and there are all sorts of different activities and questions for you to explore while you are out in the park. Now, while you're out in the park, you might want to investigate things up a little bit closer, and you can use this magnifying lens that is found inside of your knapsack. You can hold it up to your eye and bring whatever it is that you're looking at closer until it comes into view, or you can get right up close next to it. Now, something that you might not want to get too close to, at least with your nose, is scat. And you can tell by the pictures here that scat is the scientific word for poop. And this will help you identify some of the different scat that you might find on the trail. So you can tuck this bandana into your backpack. Now, also while you're out on trail, you might want to explore and check out and find different creatures. We've got this insect net that'll help you catch, and actually gets even taller, even bigger than this. And you can explore and find different insects and things. And when you find them, you can use this two-way bug viewer found inside the box that looks like this. And you can put the creature right inside and get a closer up look, both on the side and looking through the other way. So it's a two-way bug viewer to help you get a nice close look at whatever it is you find. And you don't just have to put bugs in here. You could also put a flower or a plant or something else you want to get a close look at. Just be sure to release anything that you find and to not pick any living things while you're out in the parks. If you want to identify the insects that you find, we've got an insect guide that will help you out and help you learn a little bit more about those insects that can be found. Now, with all of these amazing discoveries that you're making out in the park and all of these observations, you want to make sure that you're able to record and to keep track of all of your observations. So we have a nature journal with lots of pages for you to be able to fill up with your observations and your drawings. And in order to do that, we've also got colored pencils and watercolors. And you can write down and you can draw and you can paint all the different things that you notice, that you wonder, and that you maybe have observed in the world. So there are so many different things that you can do with all of the different materials found inside the knapsack. And there are a bunch of other videos that will talk about different things you can do with the different materials found here. Just make sure to follow the links right here and on this page to learn a little bit more about different activities, and also to go to the East Bay Regional Park District's digital learning page to watch lots of videos about different creatures that you can find out in the parks and different activities that you can do. And that link can be found right here and below as well. So we hope that you enjoy your knapsack, that you get out in the parks and explore, because these parks belong to all of us. And we hope that that you have a wonderful day out in nature. Thanks so much.